Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is today date is 20 January 2022, and I am teaching you chapter number 18. Name of the chapter, our festival. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we started the book exercises of the chapter and we completed question number A, tick the correct answer. Question number B, write the correct date of the following festivals. And question number C, match the following. Okay, now we will start with question number D, that is give short answer to the following question. Give short answers to the following questions. So the first question is, what is Mahavir Jayanti? Okay, question number 1, what is Mahavir Jayanti? What is Mahavir Jayanti? So Mahavir Jayanti, why we celebrate? Because we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti because this is the birthday of Lord Mahavir. Okay, we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti on this day. It is the birthday of Lord Mahavir. And now the question arises, who was Mahavir? So Mahavir, the founder of Jainism. Okay, Mahavir, the founder of Jainism. Okay, so note down the answer. Mahavir Jayanti is also known as Mahavir Janma Kalyanak or the birthday of Lord Mahavir. Mahavir Jayanti is also known as a Mahavir Janma Kalyanak or the birthday of Lord Mahavir. Okay, so on the birthday of Lord Mahavir, we celebrate the Mahavir Jayanti. Now, question number 2. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? You can take a screenshot also. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? Question number 2. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? As we know that student, on 15th August 1947 we got the freedom from the British rule. Is it clear? On 15th August 1947 we got the freedom from the British rule. So our country become an independent country. So after the independence, there is a very big challenge in front of the leaders at that time, because India is a very big country and people belonging to different religions are living in our country, and in more than 500 regions. At the time of the British rule also, more than 500 region our country is divided. So it is a big challenge in front of the leaders that how to rule the country. So 26 January 1950 our constitution was adopted. So now constitution is a new word for you. In Hindi we say it as a Samvidhan. So it is a book of laws to rule the country, because after the independence our country is divided into, present time if we are talking, it is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So all the laws are written in this constitution, and it took more than 2 years to make the constitution of our country. And our country constitution, it is the longest constitution in the world also. जितना बड़ा हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है बेटा, वर्ल्ड में किसी भी देश का नहीं है. ठीक है, तो 26 January 1950 is the date when we adopted a new constitution, and constitution is a book of laws how to rule the country. So every year on 26 January we celebrate it as a Republic Day. Okay, so note down the answer. On 26th January, on 26th January, on 26th January 1950, 1950, India become a free, India become a free and independent republic. Independent republic. It means now our country is not ruled by the other country. We have our own constitution to rule the country. How the governments of our country rule the country. Our constitution was implemented so every year every year on this day we celebrate Republic Day. ठीक है. So on 26 January 1950, India become a free and independent republic. Now our country is not ruled by some other country. Our constitution was implemented. So every year on this day we celebrate Republic Day. You can also take a screenshot. Now next है next question is what is Navroz? When is it celebrated? So what is Question number 3. What is Navroz? Okay. When is it? When is it? When is it celebrated? So, what is Navroz? Navroz is the new year of Parsi, and it is celebrated on 21st March. So note down, Navroz is, what is Navroz? Navroz, you can say Navroz also, or the Parsi New Year is celebrated on 21st March. ठीक है. What is Navroz? When it is celebrated? So this is a Parsi New Year. Okay. What is Navroz? This is a Parsi New Year and it is celebrated on 21st March. Okay. Now after completing this, we will start with the long question answer of the chapter. So let's read the first question. Why is Holi called the festival of color? So next question is, why is Holi called the festival of color? So Holi is called the festival of color because it is celebrated in the spring season, and as you know that in spring season there are lot of flowers in the garden and parks. Okay, so we celebrate Holi and it is celebrated in the season of a spring, and people enjoy this festival by playing with the colors, that is gulal, and with water also. Okay, so and a special dish which is made at the time of a Holi festival, the special dish which the people made at the time of the Holi festival is the gujia. Okay, so this is the special dish which is made by the people in this festival. Okay, so and another thing is that another reason of celebrating this festival is that this festival of colors marks the victory of good over evil. So at the time of the Holi festival, on the evening people light bonfires, and in the morning time they play with the colored powder called gulal and water. So this is a very important festival of the Hindus. Okay, so and it is celebrated in the spring season. Okay, so we will continue this in the next video. Thank you.